Hello everyone, Jade here, and today I'm gonna show you on how you're supposed to use the all-new radio message feature in PUBG PC or PC Lite. This feature was added to both of these games in the latest update that rolled out on around 18th of July. So without wasting any further time, let's start this video. By the way, if you're facing problems in finding teammates to play PUBG Lite with, don't forget to join my Discord server. Links in the description box below. So the default key to access radio message feature is F3. But since pressing F3 is a bit hard without changing the position of your hand, I'd recommend you to change the key binding for it. So set it as per your liking so that you can access it more easily. Now let's talk about the basics first. So in order to use the radio message feature, just hold F3 for a second until this pop-up appears. Now in order to select any option, just drag your mouse in the direction of that message and then leave F3. That's it. So when you hold the key for radio message, you will find these 9 messages. Most of these messages are straightforward, like affirmative, negative, thank you, sorry, and need med or backup, as you just need to select it and it will display the message with your name on the left hand side of your screen. But for the rest of them, there are certain things that should be kept in mind before using. So let's go through the rest of them one by one. So need ammo will only work if you have equipped a weapon. Suppose you have equipped M416, so when you select need ammo, it will show the message stating that you want ammo of 5.56. So the game will automatically detect the ammo required based on the gun that you're holding and then display the message accordingly. Next is enemy spotted. So for this message to work, you will have to exactly point in the direction and location where you saw the enemy. And based on that, it will show the message that enemy has been spotted in, let's say, 345 degrees in medium range along with the marker placed for that location in the map. So it will tell you the exact location of the enemy based on the angle, the distance and the marker. The last message is ping. So ping can be used in cases where you want your teammates to move in a specific direction or to mark location of equipments, ammo or weapons that you just found. Let's take an example. Suppose you want your teammates to move to a specific location, so just point in that direction and select ping message, and it will leave a message for your teammates to hurry to that location. And in case you found some equipments, just point your crosshair towards that equipment and select ping, and it will leave a marker for that equipment on the map. So this was it for today. I hope you guys liked it. Please show your support by liking and sharing this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and join my Discord server. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, Jade out.